Hey YouTube, Zach here with Savage, traveling today, still here in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm down here on Charlotte Avenue. I drove by this little mural, well, down this road earlier, and I saw a lot of cool old buildings. This mural, like a lot of buildings that are, you know, that were just a lot of old businesses and stuff that, you know, got that nostalgic look to them. So we're gonna go to try to find some of those. I figured I'd start here at the giant mural because it's pretty cool. I don't really know what it's for, what's going on here, but that's where I thought I'd start the video and introduce you all to the busy traffic here on Charlotte Avenue. Yes, but like right here, some really good artwork. Some train art, cool. Oh yeah, this is bad ass. I hope you can see that. I decided to use my wide angle action camera because I wanted to. I couldn't get out in the road and get a. I didn't want to be on the other side of the road. So hopefully this does the mural justice. Yeah, big old CSX engine there. Yeah, pretty cool. But I'm gonna just continue walking this way on this road. And like I said, I saw a lot of old, cool, like retro looking businesses and different things like that. Just older buildings, a lot of older brick buildings. Cause like if you've been to this city, you'll notice that like I said, there's tons of new construction. So I was just looking around for like old looking stuff. Thought maybe I could shoot some video of that, but right now I don't know how far down I was in the car because I was in a vehicle when I was doing, you know, I scouted all this stuff, so I don't know how far I'm gonna really have to walk to realize this video. So bear with me, and hopefully we see something cool. I don't know what is going on here. Off the wall, Charlotte Ave. What's crazy about this city is you'll see these little placards everywhere talking about some crazy historical stuff, just like right in the middle of town, like, you know, well before it was populated to the degree it is today, obviously. Pretty cool old stuff. Like the old decoration for the old Welder's Supply and Equipment Incorporated. There looks to be out of business, for sale. Welder's Supply and Equipment Inc. Old businesses gone past. That's interesting. It's an old repurposed brick building. I mean, it looks like that, but they could have totally fooled me with their Fox construction methods. Because they do. It is cool nonetheless. Definitely looks like a brand new design, but made to look old and impress people like me. The L&L Market, maybe. Old coffee truck, or whatever it used to be. Coffee truck now. Old Wilkie's. Kind of more of the old style service center. They're becoming harder to find, fewer and far between. Oh shit, snuck up on too. But yeah, I saw this when I was driving by here earlier. And then across the street, we got a couple, 3 buildings in a row here that have survived the bulldozer, fortunately. See if I can see a date on the top of this one. 1827. That's a pretty old one. We got an old barber shop downstairs, a real estate, bicycle shop. So Sloane. Oh, 1927. Excuse me. It's not as old as I thought. I was wishing it was. Sloane, 1927. Another Masonic built building, I assume, from the Masonic symbol right there. Found the Dark Horse Theater, or Kinney Playhouse Theater, depending on what line of the sign you read. West Nashville Presbyterian Church. Definitely a little older than some of the other stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna assume the I-40 wasn't back there when they put it in either. Continuing around the other side of the old Presbyterian Church. Got the real old part of it back here, I would assume, but this is a lot older than the front, I think. 1900 Presbyterian Chapel. I don't know if you can see that. Found this little strip of buildings here. Definitely a little older. Still intact. Like, so much has met the bulldozer around here. It's cool to see these old strip buildings still intact. Oh, the Hollywood Hair Salon. I didn't see a date on these buildings, but good to see them all filled up too. Get hit. There's a Masonic sign at the top of this one. I don't see a date. Oh, there, 1894 by a J.A. Bowling and Son. Contractors restored 1983 by Claude R. Johnson developer. Righteous. But yeah, this is what I came out to see. Oh, there's some cool art. Let's go down here and check that out. Oh, it's a tall building. Some apartments up there, I imagine. Cool. Back here by Betty's Grill. Today's gonna test it, so. And boom, Elvis. Gosh dang it. The cool stuff, weird things, home decor and furnishings, they are open. Too bad I'm on a walk though. Some not so much action going on, you know, business here and there, not as heavily populated as back in the way. I would love to own one of these old buildings, or at least even one, you know, slip. Now you'd want to either have apartments in it or be able to run a business out of it. But yeah, the books are yoga for the mind. Oh, check out that rhino. Got some zenful type music going on. That's awesome. There's some cool art on the next to the natural market over there. I can't know if you can see it. That CBD. Hey, if you guys want some CBD, I got a website for you. You just have to ask me in the comments below. At the Southern Thrift Store. Heck yeah. Oh, they got a big old sign up there too. This place has been here a good grip, huh? Nice. Oh, cool. That Regions Bank dome there. I don't know if that's unique or what. Thought this old gas station was pretty cool with the old 76 ball, a little sun faded, a couple pigeons sitting on top, or maybe just one pigeon. Used to transmission shop. Pretty cool. Like I said, you don't see those very often anymore. Oh, sign for West Tires, new air used, flats fixed for $8 an hour. I don't think they've been here for a while. Might have had something cool on that podium at one point. Hard saying now. Old Bobby's Dairy Dip. We'll be closed from December through February. Almost here, almost March, guys. Get your dairy dip. Okay, YouTube, this has been Zach here walking along Charlotte Avenue in Nashville, Tennessee. Pretty cool old little stretch of road. Definitely a lot of history around still if you're willing to poke around and look. Once again, thanks for watching. If you could, hit that thumbs up and maybe even the subscribe button so we can meet up again in the future and I can show you more cool things around the United States and the world. So once again, thanks for watching. Peace, guys.